Welcome to my new site. This is livethedreamonline.net. I also have .tv and .blog as well. So live the dream online.tv is my YouTube channel, and live the dream online.blog is my blog, obviously. This is what I did today. What I've done over the last few days, I've changed these photographs so this is much more. It looks more like a blog, but I think it's a friendlier place to come. It's got some great pictures. I found these on Pixabay. That's pixabay.com, and I also found some through Shutterstock. This is one of the ones, new guide to SEO. I did this today, and I did all this today. I found this image, and I did all this writing today. It's basically just to help me improve my search engine optimization. This is a 10 video course rather. And it's only $9. New guide to SEO. Learn how to optimize your web pages for the search engines, including Google, YouTube, Bing, and more in this new guide to SEO. And here I explain what each of these videos is about. Join me tomorrow, and we'll go behind the scenes of this video course, and I hope you have enjoyed this first video. I'm not all that photogenic, but I try my best. So thank you for being so cool, and thank you for being here with me today. Okay, thank you.